Hey bitches, today we're gonna do a Chemist Warehouse haul because this bitch just wants some more views and money. So yeah. Firstly we got
Today's intro was done by Isha. It's her 16th birthday today. It's 8th of August. So we filmed a video, Shein haul video. This is like the smallest size, X small, but literally it's still bit big for Eliza. This is really beautiful. I think I like this one. How it looks at the back here. Oh my gosh, what you doing?
it's not like my one, but it's just thin here.
Yeah, this is like my type one, I think, the black one. No. How gorgeous this top looks. Hey, it's beautiful. Yay. Love it. Gorgeous. Hey, Riza, it's beautiful, okay? Like, literally, do watch that video. I think that video will go up after this video, okay? Because I have to edit a lot in there. Okay, so let's quickly see what we do. We got some nice products here. First thing I can see.
I got that for myself because
Oh yeah.
if you this perfume, best perfume, smells so good. She's already using it. It smells so good. Give me mine.
It's her birthday, so it's her gift. It's nice. I just love this bottle, you know.
It's like,
And we got we got this micellar cleansing wipes by Garnier, and we got we got this hismile. We're gonna be trying this today. Yeah, literally can't wait to try this. Like, the ads are everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Yeah, especially on TikTok, like, we see a lot. So I thought of trying. Like, I didn't even know that Chemist Warehouse was selling this. Isha told me that Chemist Warehouse has it.
It's working?
So, yeah, got it from there. So we are going to try this.
Wow.
next thing we got is this Hello Kitty perfume. The scent is bubblegum. Smells so good.
No?
From the tip, it doesn't smell that good, but when you spray it, it smells so good.
You can just spray.
Oh, I thought you wouldn't like it.
Oh my gosh, it's just like that bubble gum. It's cute. Hello Kitty. So nice. I want one.
It's only $4.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And we got some vitamins for the family. Listerine, because I forgot the other day. We shopped at LD, I think.
Coles.
Okay, Coles, like we forgot. So we got from Chemist Warehouse. And I got 2 of this Colgate because we forgot this one too.
Our brain was braining.
Yeah. And finally we got this one. This is really good, iron tablets. And we got girls this one.
Oh,
Okay, let's open this one. Next thing is my protein powder. Finally I got this. Wasn't available like last time, so I got this one. This one is really nice. I got this one. I think it's 1 kg, so it is 1 kg. Vanilla ice cream flavor. Vanilla ice cream flavor. I don't know, last time I got vanilla flavor. I don't know how it will taste. So yeah, I like this one. And we got this. We need this one a lot, especially Isha needs a lot. Okay, so she uses it all the time. Okay, I got my favorite thing. Like, literally I can't like stay without this one. Like, I drink this every day. I got this one in high in electrolytes, and this one is in flavor Okay, lemon lime. Last time I got orange flavor, which I like it so much. Like orange flavor is really, really, really yummy. But this one, like, it is okay, but I had no option there, I think. And like finally we got this oil. Like literally we need this a lot. So we finally got it. And the other one wasn't available. And we got a few more things. This one is vegan micellar cleansing wipes. So I got one for Eliza Isha, I think. Yeah. And the other one, I think it's mine. I don't know. Like we're gonna be taking one each. And I got this one, Oral-B floss thingy. So yeah, this is it for this video. Like this is a small haul, and whatever we buy we always like share with you all. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.
I'm taking this. This is mine, and this is mine. This looks so good here though. Like, put it up there. See? Oh, that looks weird.
Beautiful. Let's leave it there.
No, mine. Give.
Eliza,
What?
come look what we got.
Oh, you can see me from
I
there.
don't want to know.
Can you lean down because and who needs look?
Oh.
You want to try?
Yes.
You're gonna try afternoon, okay? Don't forget to. And
We got one pack for you.
okay, who needs wipe?
Me.
What wipe?
Makeup wipe.
Not really. No.
Me.
Number say.
Yeah.
I need it.
Okay, we got some spare
It
ones.
smells like. Oh, it's that.
That smells so good, you know.
No, it smells ugly. I don't
No.
like it. No, please.
I don't like it.
like it. I don't like the smell.
Ugh, you stink anyways. Go put some perfume on.
It's working.
Look.
Wow. It's going white. You want more? No, color. Close up, close up.
That's good.
Brush it up.
Front. Just focus on front first. So white. Looks beautiful, no? It's pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this next to it. Kiss it.